Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read the sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all on the same page on this regard. It is because it is the absolute monarchs, the prostitute Pope Francis. Just because I filed the lawsuit in summer, between summer and December of 2019 against Pope Francis for $50,000 trillion. That is why, with fatal negligence, it is the Pope Francis created this COVID-19 and enforced mask and created emotional torture to me. So I want to sign off the civil justice sign off for myself. That way, I should get the civil justice rightful way in front of all nations and entire human kingdom. So I will quickly read through this civil justice sign off to be on the same page. It is victims of abuse claims process. That is victims of abuse patients medical finance aid compensations claim process. In the year summer of 2019 to December of 2019, I, Vedapriya Prose, filed lawsuit against at fault and found guilty prostitute, domestic violence, wild endangered species poisonous Pope Francis for tax-free $50,000 trillion in state of Wisconsin, USA. And that is why domestic violent prostitute Pope Francis created COVID-19 plague with fatal negligence to enforce pain infliction in my brain nerves as of February 22, 2021. So the crime one, count one is absolute monarchs, prostitute, COVID-19 plague. Pope Francis failed in Pope job, God of USA job, and with fatal negligence created COVID-19 plague worldwide and mandated mask worldwide and enforced I, Vedapriya Prose, to wear mask, and it is deadliest crime of COVID-19 plague, Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis to enforce I, Vedapriya, to wear the Pope Francis to wear to wear the mask as mandate and creating emotional torture in my brain nerves. I, Vedapriya Prose, as a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge for civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines, I, Vedapriya Prose, want Republica prostitute Pope Francis to drink the COVID 19 vaccinations and chew and eat COVID 19 needles count by count provided by pharmaceuticals as in Pfizer's, etc. Nobody in the earth should dare to help the prostitute Pope Francis to drink vaccination of COVID 19. And I, Vedapriya Prose, want as a Republica prostitute Pope Francis to eat all COVID 19 masks, as in chew and eat the masks, and nobody should dare to help. And Republica prostitute Pope Francis failed in absolute monarch's jobs and with deadliest crime of domestic violence, fatal negligence, and classified as deadliest venom, poisonous wild endangered species, for created COVID 19 plague and mandated mask to enforce emotional torture pain infliction on brain nerves of I, Vedapriya Prose. So I, Vedapriya Prose, want wild endangered species domestic violent leprosy patient Republica prostitute Pope Francis to sign off tax-free $500,000 trillion direct deposit or wire transfer to my bank account in next 1 second. So damages to my brain nerves done by prostitute Pope Francis is classified domestic violence with fatal negligence is proved. And Roman province Jesuits organizations of US in 50 states as of state of Wisconsin, state of Illinois, state of Michigan, state of New York, state of New England, state of Maryland, state of Louisiana, state of Missouri, state of California, state of Oregon must pay separate tax-free $500,000 trillion multiplied by 10 states of Jesuits, and that would be 500 commas followed by 4 zeros and then direct deposit to my bank account. Domestic violence types are breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment and types, and trespass to land, chattels and types. And I hope we are all on the same page. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.